For this final exercise, you're going to have to watch carefully where these counts are lining up with the notes. So for instance, this first measure, we have a half note. So we know it's 1 and 2 and. This third beat is a quarter note, 3 and. Then we have one more beat, and they're 2 eighth notes because everything in these measures will be using beamed eighth notes. So whether it's a pair of beamed eighth notes or a set of 4 beamed eighth notes. So that's why you have to pay attention to whether it's 1 beat or 2 beats. So this one we've determined is 1 beat. So we're going to have a pair of beamed eighth notes, and we're just going to click and drag it over. That's an empty text box. Let's try that again. There we go. There we go. Okay, so it doesn't look perfect, but we get the idea. So that's 4 and. And then like I had pointed out earlier, this has 2 beats. See how this half note comes in on beat 3? So we know that this is going to be 2 beats of eighth notes. So that's an instance where we're going to use one of these set of 4 beamed eighth notes. So we're just going to click and drag that over to this measure. Now ones we have to be leery of, really careful, the ones with the rest. So these ones with the rest, we need to look at the rest. This is count 1. So I know that's 1 and it doesn't look like we have anything on beat 2. So 2 and this half rest looks like it's coming in right on beat 3. So we're only missing 2 and. So let's take one of these eighth notes, these set pair of eighth notes, and set it right there. So then we have 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. And that's what you need to do. You just click and drag to what's matching and what's corresponding to the counts.